If you're currently running a shop or offering your services on Kofi and you would like to create like a coupon code or offer some kind of discount whether to a specific member tier or just to your general public, then I'm going to show you how to create those discount or coupon code in Kofi. So once you're inside Kofi, guys, this is my shop, by the way, or my service. Currently offering script writing as an example here with a little baby. And in order to create, let's say, a discount, because this is pretty pricey, right? So in order to create a discount or coupon code for this, go ahead and click the home button on the uppermost right hand side and go down to commissions. Here you will find your listing or whatever you have created there so far. And if you scroll down, there's going to be a section there that mentions about, the discounts. This is the section here. It says promote your commission with shareable discount. So if you click on that, you'll have the option to really create some discounts here, right? So it will take you over to where you can easily create, discounts for whichever commissions that you want to offer, right? So it's important. You can use these discounts for a specific service, or you can use it for any product that you have on your shop. So it's really up to you what you want to create it for. So all you have to do is just go ahead and click and add a discount, right? And you can choose if you want it to be for anyone, and you can choose it now if you want to apply it for the shop or for the commission itself. So as you can see, I can add it to, for example, shop items only, or I can choose it for the commission only, or I can even do it for a specific shop category. How cool is that, right? So go ahead and choose, for example, the commissions, and whatever commission, basically what you will do once you select that for the commissions, you will just create the code that you want. So if I want to say 50%, let's say I want to write, let's say call it get 50, right? Get 50. And I will just put the percentage there as well, 50 here. And yeah, you can choose if you want it to be expired or something. So let's say I want that to expire by tomorrow, as an example. I can use that, and it's going to be applied for that specific commission. So it's going to be applied for the commission section. So that's how you go ahead and create it. And that's all there is to it, guys. Once you go back to your page and go to services, whenever someone want to purchase something here, they'll be able to enter that get 50, and they can easily enter that 50% and get 50% off, right? And that's basically it. Very easy and very simple.